Hello and welcome to Captain Bob. Please make sure to stay till the end because today we will be turning plastic sheets, which I showed you how to make in a previous video, into a very nice switch panel. Captain Bob, he's my best friend and he should be yours too. Right now I'm using the method I used last video. I'm basically just shoving this on that hot thing. Make sure to wear gloves. And it kind of just melts onto the grill. I'm going to use a Sharpie to trace out the template. I'll include a template in the description. Yeah, and use a straight edge to straighten the lines. Hence the name straight edge. If you have a bandsaw, I would use a bandsaw, but I don't have anything fancy, so I'm just gonna use my jigsaw right here. Okay. I'm just gonna cut it. Okay, that looks nice, and it's nice and solid in there, actually. Unlike a lot of the plastic bag ones. Now there's a little bit of a divot in the middle from when you bend it, but I don't think that's too big of a deal. I'm just gonna cut it off with scissors, because it's just 1 or 2 strands of plastic. It's not too big. Gosh dang it. The jigsaw felt so much cooler. Right now I'm gonna sand it. I'm using conventional sandpaper because I want to know what it feels like to be in one with the sandpaper. But also, I lost the random orbit sanding pad, so that stinks. Okay, I'm bored of sanding. Right now I just folded my template 1 inch so that it could have all of the, I guess, features. So I'm just gonna make a hole and mark them. Grab a straight edge and make sure that all of the holes are lined up and that they're super pretty. Actually drawing a line where they're supposed to go, and then it'll all be uniform, hopefully. Then drill the holes. Make sure you're not drilling into anything though. That would be bad. Okay, I found my pilot holes. Now I need to drill the actual holes. So I have my switch right here, and the diameter of the switch is about the width of my drill bit, so I'm going to drill all of my holes. I drill some just now. Now you can just make this all pretty, get a pair of scissors, cut off all the fluff. Let's go ahead and paint this. So I painted it, but it doesn't look too good. All of the growtiness just basically got amplified. Yeah, that's okay. Now let's put the switches on. For real this time. Coming back to this template, I'm just gonna drill where all the corners are, then use the jigsaw to cut it out. I'm gonna come back with that all cut out right now. I'm gonna come back with all that cut out right now. Shoot. Okay, I can take it. So now I have up my rasp, and I'm just gonna file until it's a square. So I finished using the rasp to make a rectangle. Now we can shove this thing in. Pretty legit, huh? So I put in the single rocker for the avionics. You can use a dual rocker. It's up to you. Now I'm gonna drill the hole for the whatever the heck this is called. Ignition key. Aw, dang it, it's not big enough. I currently don't have any drill bits bigger than, I think, an inch. Otherwise it's 3 inches, and that wouldn't be friendly. So, I think I'll just use the rasp again. So now it's big enough, and you can rotate it with the key. And all the switches work and stuff. After you wire them, of course, they're just like this. All of them except for the first one, but I think I smashed with the jigsaw. Oh well, there goes 30 cents or something. I don't know. And then, yeah. I'll show you how to wire it in an upcoming video. This looks super ugly, and I don't want to repaint it, because that's a lot of work. So I'm just going to fill in all the uglies with Sharpie for temporary fixing. There you go. Now it looks decent. Okay. I don't know, honestly, how I'll make it better. Do you have any suggestions for painting HDPE? It's the milk jug material. If you do, leave it in the comments. If you want to see the next video, also comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. If you happen to make this, please send me pictures at 56957@psdschools.org, and I'll see you in the next one. But first, let's check out what's in the magical box. So I finally got a microphone. Yeah, and I tested it all out. It works perfectly, except for the sound part. Yeah, I'm still figuring that out. Apparently it doesn't work with my video recorder, so we're still figuring stuff out. And remember, the life is a journey, so keep on flying.